Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Blessings, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. I hope you guys are doing good and I hope you are doing okay. Anyway, may I just run right in a hit on my viewers and subscribers because me can't stay long. Me really and truly can't stay long, all right? So this is just like maybe a 10-minute video. Anyway, while there are significant doubts about the Jamaican Labour Party current administration, many Jamaicans are still indifferent in their confidence in the People's National Party, according to the paper. So what the paper says right now, more Jamaicans rate JLP government positively. Yeah? Me no know if I show Andrew Holness I wear the clocks or when he ready start dance up and down like him a headless chicken. Me not understand, because me not say Andrew Holness I do nothing for the Jamaican people. You understand? He's not doing a damn thing. He is not doing that. You know what? The people, they don't understand what is going on. And me come here all the time and say it. Not because you know see Andrew a build up infrastructure. Me tell you tell you apartments. How uno benefit from it. Uno explain. If uno can explain to me how uno benefit from it, then me say all right. Yeah? But there is no explanation. There's really and truly no explanation, my viewers and subscribers. So what they're saying, they must say, more Jamaicans rate JLP government positively, but PNP receives higher average rating. Of course, PNP are going to receive higher average rating because PNP don't stand to bullshit. You understand? PNP, when them talk the talk, them walk the walk. And PNP, they are people of integrity. You understand? And them have credibility. And they are honorable. And them follow laws. They do not break the law. They follow laws, my wisdom warriors. Not like the JLP them. Not like the JLP them. This is why right now, 40 other them under investigation. Serious thing me I tell you, my wisdom warriors. 40 other them under investigation. But you have 6 main culprit. 6 main culprit. What for them report are the special report. For them report is the special report. You understand? Yes, man. The one, that's why you see Juliet, she cock up there so I just for protect her husband. Yes, man. I just to protect them. That's all. That's all. You know see how them fling Miss Curtis underneath the bus? When push come to shove, when push come to shove, I see him so, them a go push and fling Nigel Clark, Christopher Tuft and the whole of them underneath the bus. May I tell you no? Seriously. Because them a get away with too much. They are getting away with too much, my wisdom warriors. So PNP have to receive higher average rating. They have to. But me like the way all the paper put it out and say Jamaicans rate JLP government in a positive way. We don't know how, what positivity coming and say Andrew Holness do nothing. He is not doing not a blasted thing for the country. Some people, them are misunderstood. A lot of labor, right? They don't have no understanding. Them are misunderstood when Andrew Holness say my build up infrastructure. For some reason, I don't know if them feel say for them or what. I don't understand. Because really and truly, I say Andrew Holness I do nothing. He is not doing damn shit. Right now, people need water. What are they doing? What are they really doing? Matthew Samuda in a helicopter up and down all over Jamaica in a helicopter. Anywhere he might go, helicopter him take. Like say a film father own House of Parliament. And that me want to know. And that me want to know, my wisdom warriors. And that with taxpayer money I use, do you know? Helicopter up, down. I never see this from a barn. And them a type of people we want for a leader. People were from when the people them a ball out for water. From when the people them a say they nah no tank. Some of them get tank. Some of them have tank and know what. Lord Jesus. Like, hey, listen, not no water. So not protest. Hanover people and Westmoreland people. Not go protest. Just sit back. Not no water. So alright with it. The labor right there alright with it, you know. They alright with it. They don't mind go river and standpipe. Which I know nothing, you know. I know nothing. Because back in the day, people used to go to river. People used to go a standpipe. But what I'm saying right now, at 2024, we in a people no fear go at them place right now. You understand? Remember, say this a country I talk about digital, you know. Remember, say Andrew Honest I talk about digital. My viewers and subscribers, when me tell you about these people, them are something else. These people is something else. So, me get back to this here. PNP have a higher ratings than the JLP. It is a must. Because only Mark Golding administration, me see a stand up for the Jamaican people. Only Mark Golding. Sometimes you have Peter Bunting, Julian Robinson, the whole of them. You see them a stand up to Andrew Holness. Yeah? Because Andrew Holness keep breaking the law and that's it. That even the PSOJ now run out. Where the G2000 them there? What under there? G2000, una sister the people they want water. Every day you come out PNP this and PNP that. G2000. Me a call una out. Una come to the front of the class in a Andre Vice round here. Come to the front of the class. Yes. Una no sister the Jamaican people they need water G2000. Why una no call out to the Prime Minister? Why una no call out to the Prime Minister? I saw no one trick Jamaican people, but so no make other people turn una JLP in a puppet. In a puppet. If you come and destroy the little what we have. On top of that, if you come destroy the people of Jamaica, no Sanky na go sing so. No Sanky na go sing so, Andrew Honest, because you will never win the general election. You're not winning. You will never. So if you're thinking in your mind, so you go thief it, you're not going to get the chance either for thief it. It's not going to happen. It is not going to work. And we can't be republic underneath Andrew Holness watch. Never. My wisdom warriors. Never. But anyway, wanna tell me how you feel about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section here. This year, my wisdom warriors, Minister of Legal and Constitutional Affairs, Marlene Malahou Fort, is cautioning against judicial overreach, which she argues has the potential to violate the principle of separation of powers. My wisdom warriors, wait. The Legal Affairs Minister also warned that attacks on the credibility of those who serve the legislature serves to undermine democracy. So my viewers and subscribers, when I hear them something I know, out of everything we are going, Marlene Malahou decide to come out and open up her mouth and attack our Prime Minister break the law. What she for come out and chat? She should never be no legal and constitutional affairs minister. She should never get that position. She should never, because she sit down in a parliament, close her mouth, don't say nothing, and she know what our prime minister doing is wrong. And them a people here we have a lead with. Them a people here lead we astray. Jamaican people, me want to open up on no eye. Me want to open up on no ears. These people is leading us astray. You understand me? Because me can't believe that she is a legal and constitutional affairs minister. And she sit down and know how our prime minister break the law, acted unlawfully against the constitution. And she don't say nothing. And she do not say anything, my viewers and subscribers. You see what me I show you? And them a people here call themselves legislators, you know. And them a people here implement things, you know. And them a people here call lawmakers, you know, my viewers and subscribers. And see what them a do. And all Marlene Malahou can do is come out and talk about the legal affairs minister also warned. She come warn people on the attack. Really? Really? Who you fi warn you now warn? Go warn Andrew Holness we have break the law and breach the law. unlawfully and uno not said nothing about that woman and that you need to do. That's why I know say uno could never like Jamaican people. Uno, me I tell you, me not even know. Me don't know how Jamaica makes such a mistake. And you, Marlene Malaho, you, a foul person, a Westmoreland you come from. A Westmoreland you come from. You understand? And look how much things are going on in the country. Look how much things are going on in Westmoreland. Look how much things. And one of them stand up in a House of Parliament and said, look, the people them, they need water. The people them, they need this. But to make sure say, hotel get water. Because all you care about is the wealth. I'm tired to tell the Jamaican people them, say a wealth you care about. Because from uno give hotel water, a wealth. Because remember, so tourism bring in the money, you know. My wisdom warriors, if you never know, are the tourism bringing the money. You understand me? Right. So them a make sure say for them people where the money a come from, them a make sure say them good. But Jamaican people, when Andrew Holness want you to come vote for him, he up and down like a madman all over Jamaica just to get some vote. And this a woman, you know, before she come out and talk about the water, where happen. You shouldn't shame on yourself. You come out and come talk about attacks on the credibility. Which credibility? Which credibility? You don't have no credibility. From to break the law of the lands, you don't have no credibility. Uno credibility done. Uno not have none. None have. Me don't know who I go respect people like Uno. Uno break the law of the lands. Uno don't even care about the constitution. And you a foul person, Marlene Malaho. You know everything what is going on. You know what Andrew Holness and Delroy Chuck them a do is wrong with the DPP. And you now say nothing. You come out and talk about. And this really come out and talk about woman. And someone of a go and someone of a lift up from out of House of Parliament. I want to feel like someone of a go. My wisdom warriors, want to tell me what you think about this and how you feel about when Marlene Malaho she come out and run off her mouth say. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. My wisdom warriors, you know hear say Andrew Holness him one ton Negril in a one parish. You know hear what one? Hey, no sir. You know hear what one, my wisdom warriors. There are mixed views to a suggestion by Prime Minister Andrew Holness for Negril to become a parish. I do not know what happened to Andrew Holness. He not even business with down at Westmoreland. Down there the road them want fix. Pay a pothole from one point to the next point. So the people then come out, Rick's Cafe, then come out and them a complain because the road want fix. The place want fix up. And this a money I talk about Negril for turning a parish. Me tell Andrew Holness, you know what Andrew, you know what am I doing in my wisdom warrior? This man know what am I doing. You hear him, he mention it. You know what? He might go turn it into it. The worst how. Then send in the paperwork to get rid of the monarchy. All right. You remember, he might go turn it. Anything you hear him say, he might go do. Anything you hear him say, things where if he gain money, anything with money, where he might go benefit from it, he might go do it, my viewers and subscribers. He is going to do it. But I want the Jamaican people to look out against Andrew Holness because Andrew Holness only grabs money. He's a money grabber. That's all he does. He doesn't care about nothing. He don't care about nothing. You know how much pothole upon the road cause accident, mash up all people car. People have to fix them car. All the taxi driver them. All the taxi driver them have to fix them car all the time. You know why? Because a pure pothole. The road they want fix. My wisdom warriors. And when this money I run out, I talk about parish, he want nigga for ton. He not even care about down there. I just try to say down there grow with tourism and the money are coming enough. Billions of dollars them a make. That's why you see one turn in a parish. You don't stay there. You don't know who that. My wisdom warriors, all the one Matthew Samuda, him run out, I come talk about how 70% of the water leak. Me want know where water leak go. Where's where the water leak go? In the sea? And that me want know Matthew Samuda. Because sometimes when you come out and chat some shit, me have to wonder how you in this position here. How you get them the position there. Yeah, come talk about water. 70% of the water leak. Where leak go? In the sea? And that me want know. And that me would like to know. My wisdom warriors. Hear this. Minister with responsibility for the water portfolio, Matthew Samuda, says as much as 70% of the water treated and sent to customers of the National Water Commission, NWC, in Hanover is lost to leakage. Lord Jesus. He said the water, hey, me not understand these people. Oh, you mean the water lost to leakage? So how comes when the water I go to the hotel, the water never lasts to leakage? Make it make sense, Matthew. Make it make sense, Matthew Samuda. How comes when the water I go to the hotel them, none never leak? So why when it I go to the customer them, it a leak? Make it make sense. My wisdom warrior, the problem Minister Samuda explained is compounded by a range of factors, including age, infrastructure, chronic lack of rainfall due to climate change, pure nonsense. This a man come on a chat board. You know, have nothing else to do. The people them need help right now. They need water. Action speak louder than words, brother. Action speak louder than words. Make sure that the people they have water. The people them pay tax. You understand? Make sure that the people them have water. Moreland Wilson way more name. Make sure that the people them have water, brother. Because one time you want the people them to vote for you, you're up and down like headless chicken. So make sure say on the lookout for the people of Jamaica. Me not understand. People no need to take it to the streets. We no need for protest. And also, I want to touch upon Amber a little bit. With Amber situation, everybody should go out and protest because what they have done to Amber is unacceptable. Because I listen to Amber and she never say anything wrong and she never do anything wrong for them talk about lawsuit. You understand me? So what them do to Amber, it is unacceptable. It is really unacceptable. You understand? Them as something is not right. Them as something is wrong on all levels. She's only speaking up on the behalf of the Jamaican people. And she have all right to do so. Samuda, we know say you not like Jamaican people. We know say you not like we. We know that, Samuda. Because if you didn't like we, you want to come out and chat about water leak when it go to customer. You want to chat nonsense. My wisdom warriors, want to tell me what you think and how you feel about this. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome on big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.